Hi, everybody. Today we're going to see how... Nope. Today we're going to look at supplies. Hi, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about supplies. This will be a quick video. I'm just going to talk about a few of the things I use and maybe what you might want to get. So, mostly Sharpie. You know I use that. It's just a big, fat, fine point Sharpie. And then I like to use a Sharpie pen too because it's got a smaller, thinner nib that you can control line widths much better. Plus, you get a nice contrast of thick and thin, so you can experiment and have a lot of fun with those things. Pencils, you can use any pencil you want. I like to use a H pencil, which is a little lighter than number 2 pencil. Number 2 is what you normally get in just a regular old pencil. That's usually like the number 2, that's average. Field Notes, I love their booklets. They make a number 2 as well. It's average, that's what everybody gets. But I go for an H just because it's lighter, and I like these Tombow mono pencils. You can get whatever you want. You can get Koh-i-Noor, you can get any kind of pencil. Even if it says drafting, doesn't matter. Just get a pencil. That's all you want to do. No big deal. The paper is what I wanted to talk to you about mostly. Now, any paper will work. I like to use Hammermill laser print paper for color. Now you can get any paper you want. I found that this works better for me. This 24 pound, 98 brightness, I get 11 by 17 so you can see the whole screen. Even though we don't use all this edge, I don't know what we can do about that, but I'll figure that out eventually. I like this laser print paper because it's a little smoother. You're welcome to use whatever you want. It doesn't even have to be Hammermill. Like if you want to get any other kind of paper, as long as it's laser print paper, get whatever you want. Like I said, this is what I like to use just because I found that it tends to bleed a lot less than regular paper. Like, let me see, let me try to grab you a piece real fast and show you. Let me show you. So this just kind of bleeds if you slow down. Watch, it's not going to do it this time. See, it's not too bad, but I can start to see it start to blend out just a little bit, and that's okay. It still works, right? It's not that big a deal. But this paper I like a little bit better. So you can get this just about anywhere. I had to order mine because I'm not going to lie, where I live, nobody carries this, and it's just not average at my store. But when I used to live in my other location, where it was everywhere, you can get this any place. So you can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Office Depot, Staples, any of those kind of places. I just like to get a laser print paper. You can order stuff like this. As a matter of fact, I'll put links in the description of where you can get this on Amazon, on Walmart, on Staples, all those places like I talk about. So you don't have to get that, but I'd like to find you supplies that you can get just around the house. You can get standard generic Sharpies from Amazon that will work too, so don't think it has to be Sharpie. I'm not sponsored by Sharpie, it's just what I always have lying around the house, and that's kind of what I want for you in this whole thing that we're doing, so you can see how I draw, and you can draw with what you have too. So just go and ask your parents for some pens, some pencils, and some paper, and that's all you need. If you want to spend the money and get some expensive supplies, go for it. Do what you want to do. But I like to make this accessible to you with anything you have lying around the house. So that's what I like to use, and maybe we could talk about what you like to use, but I just thought I'd let you know so you can see how I draw, and then you show me how you draw, and we'll meet somewhere in between. All right, you guys have a good day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.